Hey, good morning, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz, and I want to thank you for being here for this quick update on Act CRM pricing. In June of 2022, Act changed their pricing structure. Now, they've done this in the past, and a lot of times they rename things and they change some things, but they just had a pricing update that actually I'm pretty excited about because I think it has some great new features for Act software users. Act has been around for a long time, more than 35 years, and as a company, they're continuously evolving. They were always desktop software, and they've evolved into web-based software as well. So now you can use Act in the web, or you can use it in the cloud. Act Premium Cloud is their new iteration of Act software. What was previously known as Act CRM Classic, they now offer Act Premium Cloud for $30 a month. Now you have to pay annually, so it's $360 a year. But what's interesting about this is that when they work with Act Premium Cloud, they make it really easy to get started. And they start with a free trial, very easy to implement. If you're a current Act user, you can create a backup of your Act database, get it uploaded to the cloud, and be up and running in as little as 60 minutes. It's really easy to start working with. There is no software to install. There's no expensive IT support needed or servers. It's really self-serve, and again, I can help guide you through this. But to get into Act, you can use any of the three most common web browsers: Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. Having said that, I've been using this software for 18 months in my office, and I recommend Microsoft Edge. So it's web-based browser access. It also comes with a mobile app, and it's very easy to add users. So if you need to grow, or if you continue to grow, really easy to work with. So when you think about software in Act, most of you think of traditional Act desktop software. An Act desktop software is $37.50 a month, or $450 a year. So $450 versus $360. One is web-based, one is desktop. With desktop software, a lot of times people need help installing it. If you have an older version of Act, you have to uninstall that software to install the new. We offer that support if needed, but desktop software often needs support. So what are some of the differences? What are some of the features? Well, a lot of these are exactly the same. You have calendar and activity tracking. That's a very common thing. Integration with Microsoft Office. And here, I'll point out that, in my opinion, the most important thing is integration with Microsoft Outlook. And when I say integration, what I mean by that is really sending and receiving email. I really like the whole concept of the cloud. But let's take it a step further. What if you say, hey, I'm not really a cloud-based person. I really want the desktop. Well, cloud is $360, desktop $450, but what if you want to have both of them? Act is now offering a sync service where you start synchronizing your data between the cloud and the desktop. So because of that, it would be rare when I'd solely suggest the desktop software. I would always suggest that you go with the sync service because it's an additional $30, and what that does for you is gives you the option to work in the cloud or on your desktop. The cloud is great when you're traveling or if you have a second computer, but if nothing else, that little extra that you'd pay to have both and have that sync option, that is going to work as a backup for you. Just a little bit of security. So you have some options here, and Act is changing, Act is growing, and I think this is a great option for Act software users. If you have any questions about any of this, feel free to reach out to me by phone or by email, but reach out to me and I'd be more than happy to go into this and discuss your options. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you so very much for being here, and you have a fantastic day. Thank you.